All right, happy Vlogmas, everyone. This is Rocky, and thank you for joining my channel. If you're new, this is where we normally talk about fashion, lifestyle right here in my city of Chicago, and just a little bit of beauty. I am going to be participating in Vlogmas this year, which means I am going to vlog every single day in December up until Christmas. And you get to see me and all of my wonderful adventures every single day. We're going to be talking a lot about beauty because I will be opening up an advent calendar, which is from The Body Shop. And every day there'll be something beauty related that we talk about. In addition to that, if there is something special happening that day or a special story I want to share, we'll also be doing that during the vlogs every single day. Some days the vlogs will just be the advent calendar that I'm sharing. Other days it'll have the stories that I'm talking about. So let's get right into it. All right, now it's time to open our day 2 of Vlogmas advent calendar gift. Let's search for it together. I think that's my favorite part. One of my favorite parts, obviously, is looking through this advent calendar to figure out where the things are because they are not in any particular order. So let's do this together. Let's see. Oh, lucky us. It's right here on top. One cool thing about these is that it does have like a little description and everything on top. It says the community fair trade aloe vera, and your sheet mask is sourced from Campeche in Mexico. We work with 3 female farming communities who really know their stuff. They use their wealth of knowledge to meticulously distill aloe vera leaves, or aloe leaves, sorry, making sure it's the freshest quality for your fabulous face. Let's open this up. Okay, today's number 2 day is this aloe vera mask. I use masks all the time. Now that I travel quite a bit, travel has picked back up. I find that my face does not love to travel, and so I just newly discovered that traveling with facial mask is it. It is the one, not the 2. So you definitely, if you're going to be doing some travel, you want to be refreshed when you arrive wherever you get yourself a facial mask. This one is great because it says it's for sensitive skin, and I definitely have acne prone skin, so I'm going to be loving on this one. So that's all we have today for today's vlog. Make sure you come back tomorrow for tomorrow's vlog, but the only way you'll know if I posted something if you subscribe and hit the notification bell. Come back tomorrow, I'll have something special for you, and I'm also doing giveaways, so you don't want to miss that. Bye.